The traditional ruler of Enugwu, Igwe Ralph Ekpe, and members of his cabinet graced the occasion while hundreds of Enugwu indigenes and non-indigenes cut across age brackets living within the community and beyond thronged the venue to be entertained by Iga masquerades. Kitted in their mask attire and brandishing canes called Agba, the masquerades made their way into the arena and took turns to flog themselves. At the preliminary stage, 56 masquerades participated, out of which 20 qualified for the second round and 12 made the third round. The final round saw 6 masquerades emerge, after which 3 masquerades competed for the first position. The masquerade labeled 75 took the first position and was given cash gift. Speaking to the ABS, the Culture Minister of Enugwu, Chief Jude Ekwunife, described the ceremony as a vital part of the community's heritage and appreciated the initiator of the festival, Senator I.G. Abana, for holding the fourth since 2018, ensuring that masquerade tradition is revived. He pledged commitment on the part of elders and stakeholders in the community to sustain their culture and tradition for posterity.
Once you cover yourself and disguise yourself from your original personality, you are masquerading. Father Christmas is a masquerade. People that do Halloween events, they are masquerading. There's nothing fetish about, exhibiting our pure and holy cultural inheritance.
An Enugwu indigene, Mr. Michael Arinze, who came in from Abuja, and Mrs. Pat Onwodenjo, who came all the way from the United States of America for the festival, called for measures to sustain the carnival as its gains are enormous.
I do not think that is fetish. It is our way of life. It is what we know. What we don't know, we just don't know. So to me, it's a way for us to continue to be in existence.
The organizing committee chairman, Mr. Chukwudi Onwasanya, emphasized that there is nothing fetish about that exercise, which is mainly aimed at entertainment, adding that the festival has been in existence since the end of the war, but is being revived. Climax of the carnival was emergence of one of the masquerades, adjudged the best dancer and most entertaining, and was given special cash prize. Consolation cash prizes were also given to other participating masquerades. From Obu Muri Palace, Enugwu, Ejike Abana, ABS News.